Hello friends, welcome to my vlogs. Hope so you guys are doing well and I'm doing great. Alhamdulillah, I arrived in Lithuania on 30th of August 2024 for master's program in electronics and telecommunication technologies at Vilnius University. When I was coming, I make a list of some things that you must bring when you come in Lithuania. As I arrive in Lithuania, I will tell you all the things you must bring with yourselves. So, in first portion, I will cover all the cosmetics and you can say shampoos, toothpaste, etc. So, let's start our vlog. So, you must bring one shoe polish, hair gel, cold cream, razors for like underarms cleaning, one moisturizer, one shampoo. Uh, in this size, you must bring. They you can buy from here, but the prices are very high, and you can't buy your specific shampoo from here because in first you don't have enough money to buy all these things from here. So I think you must bring all the things for 1 to 2 months from your own country. And I want to tell you my weight. My bag weight was one bag was 23 kgs and other bag was 7 kgs. So I bring 30 kg with me, and I traveled on Air Baltic. But my luggage was more than 30 kg, and I split my luggage. I make one bag of 23 kg and one bag of 7 kg, and all the other things in some like bag shoppers. I take all other things in shoppers, and airline allows me. They don't say why you are taking a lot of. So friends, in first portion I want to share all the soaps, shampoos, brushes and all that material that is used here. So first you must bring cold creams with you. I'm from Pakistan. I bring this cream with me. You can bring any specific, this honey lotion for moisturizing. This is hair gel, lip balm, one shampoo, big shampoo, razors for underarm cleaning, two more razors for shaving, etc. Shoe brush, shoe polish, for cleaning of glass, laptops, screens, or you can clean mobile screens from this. I bring this. This is like not important. You have choice whether you bring or not. I bring two toothpastes with me, two brushes. Sorry, three brushes. One I'm using, and these are two extra brushes. I bring two deodorant. One is this. One is in my other bag. One face wash, Vaseline, hand wash, hard skin remover. You can use it on your foots. Okay. Two hair oils. One coconut. One amla. Another cream for skin. I bring six soaps with me. One, two, three. One, two, three. So sorry, I missed two items. One nail cutter and scissor for like cutting your beard or. These were all the items In this section, I don't know how to pronounce this section, but in this section I bring all these things. You can add anything according to your taste, according to your need, but these all things I bring for myself, and I want to share with you guys. If something is not in your mind, you will see and then you will bring. Okay. Okay, moving towards the medicine sections, what I bring with me: one thermometer for measuring temperature of our body, because there is too much, you can say, winters here, cold weather there, you have a chance of getting fever, so you must bring this thermometer with you. Strepsils, I'm also having this in my mouth for like this. When you have a sore throat, you can bring this with you, strepsils. Yes, this is heat burn cream. If you come here and you burn your skin, you use this burn cream. Chest balm. If you have like here, you can massage your chest. I come here and I got flu. My English is so good. This is air drop. Sorry, eye drops. If you have blockage in nasal due to flu, you can use it in your this. This is for like if you have cuts, bleeding, while you are bleeding, you can use this iodine. Simple painkiller, Panadol. This is for like if you eat too much things and your stomach is not good, you can bring Eno with you. It will helps you in digestion. My English is improving day by day. Nice. These are the like bandages. You get any kind of accident here. I don't wish, but if it happens, you must have these things with you. Sunny Blast. These are Sunny Blast. I hope Pakistani guys are like Pakistani guys are understanding very well. They know my English and me and all these items. Polyfex. This is the this is what this is. You can use it whenever you have burn skin, or it is like skin ointment. Hmm. It is surgical sp- uh, spirit, spirit. Sorry, spirit. This is also if you get flu, you can put it in your nose. The flu would be better. This is also a bandage. Okay, friends, it's all up. This section ended. Moving towards next section. So, friends, moving towards electronics section, the first thing you must bring with you is like this kind of extension with these two universal adapters. Universal adapter is like this kind of universal adapter. Okay, bring two universal adapters and one extension, because there is issue here, and these things are very expensive here. very expensive. You can't even imagine how expensive these things are. One earbuds with you. If you are a math student, engineering student, you must bring calculator with you as well. If you are a vlogger like me, bring mic with you. It's boy MM1. Uh, Adapter. I have one adapter, but I bring one extra adapter with me. Mouse. Two hand frees. One is I'm using there. It's not here. This is second one. Trimmer. It's very necessary for men's. You must bring two C-type cables with you if you have C-type phone or any phone. And this is more important. If you have online classes, you must bring this kind of headphone. Okay, this is all. It's all that I bring. You can bring anything according to your need, but I think these are the most necessary things that are used here. Okay, friends, moving towards stationery portion, I bring a set of ball pens. It's like 10 to 12 ball pens with me, one pencil, one eraser, one sharpener, pocket stapler, glue stick, um, scale, color pen, one highlighter, staple pens. That's it. No, oh, sorry, two registers, or you can say two journals, and you can say two notebooks. Okay, this is all that I bring. You can bring papers with you, A4 size paper, assignment papers with you, but I think I will bring from here if I need. You can bring if you want, but there was not enough space and not enough weight in my bags. Therefore, I used and therefore I bring just these things. Okay, moving to our next one, flash USB for storage. When you have presentations, you have to upload it in it. I think this is necessary. Friend, you must bring needle, thread with you. This is like for soap. If you want to, if you want your soap private, you must take it here and take this, put it in your room. Buttons, buttons, buttons. This is hairbrush. This is not in this section, but I just found it now. Find it now. Found it now. This is umbrella hangers. I don't know what is the name of this. Rope. This for like clothes, drying clothes. I bring this for drying clothes because there is no space where to dry clothes. So I use this rope and will dry my clothes. This is sponge for washing teapots. Also this metallic one. This is for white clothes cleaning. You can bring washing powder with you, but my weight was exceeding. Therefore, I don't bring, and I didn't find any good washing powder here. So I suggest you guys to bring washing powder from your own country. I go to Maxima yesterday, and I bring one washing powder. It was not good. It was really not good. It cost 2 euros, and a good washing powder is like 13 euro here. So you must bring washing powder from your house as well. And one Caesar. Okay, this is like for clothes, not for beer. Okay, that's it. So friends, now I'm going to tell you all the eatables that you must take with you, because in starting days you don't find anything right here. There is halal haram things mixed up. So you should bring uh, uh, food with you, because when you come here you don't have any accommodation. You will not eat anything for 1 to 2 days. If you go outside, things are so expensive, and you don't know how to cook things. So you must take Maggie with you. I think it's very easy to cook. You must take peanut butter, any jam with you, so that when in breakfast you buy a bread and have a toast. You must bring what is this? What, I just forget. It is Nutella. You can say it. You can also use it for breakfast. If you have constipation issues, you mix this espagol in your milk, and that's it. As you know, there is a cold weather, so you must bring soups, chicken soups, etc. with you, so that in winters you enjoy winter very well. So I bring 3 packets of chicken soup. I will inshallah soon make uh, tapal green tea. You must bring it with you, because this is very necessary for me, for other people's, because it helps in digestion. It is very good in winters, and you can must bring dry fruits with you, little, not more, due to weight problems. So I bring three, these three boxes full of dry fruits. This is socks. One more Maggie. You must bring 2 to 3 packets of Maggie. Okay, friends, moving towards spices portion. Baking soda. It is used in so many remedies, in so many things. It helps in cooking too much. So baking soda is very important. Ajwain. It is good for, like, if you have some digestion issues. Ajwain is good if you insert in your cooking or in your dishes. It helps you a lot in digestion. I don't know what it is. Cumin seeds or zira. Coriander powder, सूखा धनिया powder. Red chilies, like this is like dara mirch इसको कहते हैं. You can say it dara mirch, and it's a red chili darla. I don't know. I'm a professional cook, so I took all the things that I need when I came here. This is chaat masala. We will make chana chaat, fruit chaat. We will make dahi bale here if we have time. I don't know I have time, but we will manage to make. This is methi. Uh, I don't know how to pronounce it. Special biryani masala, Bombay biryani masala. Garam masala powder, very important. It is very important spice that is used in kadai, gosht, joshanda, johar joshanda. It is very important. It is very very important, because when you have flu, you used it in your tea, in your coffee. It helps you a lot. I bring 4 to 5 packets of biryani masalas. Yes, biryani masala, biryani masala. Turmeric powder, it is very good. It is used in so many remedies and also in cooking, and it is very essential spice. Every day you must bring every day with you because milk is not good there here. Every day is so good. I used every day. Nestle, Nescafe coffee. Laziza kheer mix, it is used for kheer. These are all Pakistani brands. You can bring according to your tastes. This is flavored Zaika masala. It is like if you use it in dal, it gives you taste of chicken. Okay. It is achar gosht masala, black pepper. This kind of black pepper and powdered black pepper also. So all these are the spices that I bring with me. You can bring according to your taste, and if you are not a cook or and you don't know how to cook, I think these things are necessary for cooking, and this makes your dishes so wonderful. Okay, moving towards next portion. Okay friends, moving toward utensils portion. I bring ceramics plates and ceramics um, utensils because there are ovens, and you can't bring steel plates, plastic plates, because ovens are not good for plastic plates, and plastic is not good for our health. I bring ceramic plate, one plate, two mugs. This mug like broken. Do this. That's it. I don't bring any spoon because I just forget. This for roti making chamta. I can't. One knife. It's peel. It cutter, you can say. One saucepan. One fry pan I buy, but I don't bring it. I will buy from here because there was too much. There was too much luggage in my bag, and I can't handle too much luggage. It was 23 kg in one bag, 7 kg in other bag, and some shoppers also I was carrying with me. So you must bring pressure cooker with you as well because pressure cooker is very important here. You can we were like three friends. Now we split the things. I bring these things. My other friend bring other things, and the third one bring some other things. So we will divide all the things with. We make a group first when we were arriving to Lithuania. We make a group. We tell them that which thing you have to bring, which thing I have to bring, and which thing the other one has to bring. So things are divided. Weight was like good, and I bring all these utensils. But you must need have a pressure cooker with you because it is very necessary, and pressure cooker kit also, the rubbers also. And these are for roti, for bread. You can cover bread with these. I bring everything, every single thing, so that I can live here peacefully. So these are utensils. Moving towards clothes section. Okay, so friends, you must bring one bedsheet with you, one bedsheet with you, pillow covers with you, and you must bring winter clothes with you, your gloves, your thermals, high necks, uh, socks, caps, all the winter stuff you must have to bring because there is too much cold weather here. It's minus 25 when it's in January. Now the temperature is 14 degrees Celsius. So you must bring your winter stuff with you. You can bring five pants. I bring five pants. shirts, like 10 to 12 shirts, t-shirts, all shirts mixed. You must bring underwears, a lot of underwears, a lot of vests with you. Like it should be 10 to 12 pieces, because you don't have enough time to wash clothes daily. So you have enough stuff that you can use. And when in weekend, you have to wash all the clothes. So friends, I suggest you to buy this kind of bags from Daraz, because these bags are very good and it makes your bag organized, and everything is like organized in each single bag. In this bag, I put all my shirts. In this bag, I put all my jackets, pants. In this bag, I put all my underwears, vests. This is my shoe bag. If you put it in your bag, it occupy less space and it makes your bag organized. And if in airport they check your bag, they will not open all the stuff. If they open also, your luggage is not spread everywhere. Create a lot of space in your bags. When you put these bags, you have a lot of space for other things. So friends, moving towards our new section, that is shoes section. You must buy long shoes from your home country, and you can buy from here. But I want to buy. I buy from my own country. It cost 5600, I think, and these are good. And I buy it from sale. It was like 7500, but buy on 50% sale from Urban Soul in Pakistan. So it is like 5500 shoes, long shoes. These are very good for Lithuania. You must bring these kind of chappals or shoes for house. Some formal shoes for shalwar kameez. And this is the shoes that you mostly see in my videos. My favorite shoes is. So suggest you guys to bring some cultural things with you, which represents your culture. I bring this Sindhi cap because I'm from Sindh province. I buy this cap. I have my ajrak in my bag. I love my country so much. I bring this flag. When we celebrate Independence Day, I think it must be here. And one more, most important thing, you must bring this cap with you. Jai Namaz, Tasbih, and you have Quran Pak in your mobile phone, so you can read from your mobile phones. So that's it, friends. Friends, your documents are most important thing. You have to bring all your degrees, all your documents, every single thing you have to bring here. Okay, and and one more thing, you have a lot of photocopies of your documents, because there is very high cost of each copy. Like in Pakistan, we pay 5 or 10 rupees for one copy, and here it is 60 to 70 rupees for one photocopy. And I suggest you guys to buy this scale, electronic scale. It is digital scale. It will helps you when you are going somewhere. uh, you can weight your bags from this. You can manage your bags from this. So it is not very expensive. It is 800 rupees, and I buy it from Daraz. You must buy it because it helps a lot in your packing. You can weight every single thing, and you can manage your bag according to your weight. So I suggest you guys to buy this electronic digital scale. Hope so you guys like my video and it is very informative for you guys. So keep connected to my vlogs, keep watching my vlogs, subscribe to my channel, share my video to your friends, and we will be right back soon in next vlog. So goodbye, take care, Allah Hafiz.